points, but these are all important actually. How to put a light over this one. Very, very important. Duplicate keys are not allowed. One more time. Duplicate keys are not allowed. Best example like a Aadhaar card. Best example like a student ID. Best example like a hall ticket number. Hall ticket number, right? Keys should not be duplicate, but values can be. But we'll do one thing. Today I will show you practically. You are telling keys should not be allowed, right? I will store keys as a duplicate. What happen? We'll see. The next point will be values can be duplicate. Values can be what, Sarji? Duplicate. It can store same type of the data, different type of. The next one, size increase dynamically, mutable nature, cannot store the data in the form of indexing out actually. Remember these are all. Now I would like to jump into directly practical. We can move on actually. Daniel, when should you go for dictionary? If you wanted to represent the data in the form of key value pair, then we should go for the dictionary. So in Python, it follows a shortest notation. We need to call it a dict, but you can call it a dictionary. Symbols to create data structures. So to create a list, we need to use square brackets. To create a tuple, we need to use, but still parenthesis is optional. The next one, while creating a set, set and dictionary, both we can use curly brace, but do you want it to create a set actually? Values mandatory. What is mandatory? Values, with values. Imagine, dictionary we can create by using curly brace. No values also fine. That is an empty dictionary actually. That's what you need to be understand. This is the syntax. Key 1 value 1, key 2 value 2, respectively like that. Okay. We are going to create a dictionary. 10 Ramesh, 20 Arjun, 30 Daniel. I told right my career from Java to big data like a Hadoop, Spark actually. Arjun is my guru. So I learned from him in Bangalore. So in the year of 2017 or 18, I learned with him and he's in UK. Best trainer actually. I like him. So the way how he explained the subject, awesome trainer. So yeah. Daniel, can I create this one? Yeah, good, Sergey. You can create this. Yo. So 10 Ramesh, 20 Arjun, 30 Daniel. 30 Daniel. Okay. Good. Then can I run this code? Yep. Let us run this code. You will get an output, Sergey. Yeah. Successfully I have created a dictionary. Daniel, how to prove this is the dictionary? Chaptara? Yeah, type. What is that, Sergey? Type. Slowly by slowly, try to use what exactly is instance also. Don't ask what is instance. Yesterday I already covered actually. Whoever all missed yesterday's session, gone case అయిపోయింది sir. You have to be very regular actually. Is instance takes 2 parameters. Now first parameter should be you can provide the data. The next parameter you can directly ask, is it dictionary? Is it what, Sergey? Dictionary. Now like this you need to cross verify. Good practice. Good practice actually. Why? Because ease instance is giving what data type, Sergey? Boolean data type. Boolean is always important. Kind of some checking purpose we can use actually. I have a question for you. How many functions here I'm using? 3 functions. Tell me. Print, type, is instance. One more time. Very nice. Can just to come here. Creating a dictionary. Cinema started, Sergey. If anyone joined just now, you are very late actually. Please join at right time. I can move on. Empty dictionary. Yeah, possible. Possible. Empty dictionary we can create. How empty list is valid? Equals to, empty dictionary. Empty dictionary. The next one, you can still check type of, type of what, Sergey? Yeah. Okay. Very good. You understand, I guess. Creating empty dictionary. Slowly by slowly, you need to understand. Seems to be small examples, but it talks a lot actually. Creating empty dictionary. In Java, it is called as a map actually. Map. In Python, it is called as a data structures, but in Java, it is called as a collections. What is that, Sergey? Collection. Map collection. These are all. Okay. Anyway, we are not Java guys. Don't worry. The next one, we can add key value pair to the empty dictionary. Important, very, very important interview question. Let me tell you, what is this topic actually? Adding, so key value pair, key and value pair to dictionary, to what, Sergey? Dictionary. We can add actually. But just now, forget about the dictionary. Can I add a value to the list actually?
Yeah.
You can add.
Yeah.
What is the method?
Insert.
Append. Very nice. Can I add a value to the set? Who can add? What is the method? Very good. You should know. First of all, let me tell you, adding value to list and word search is set. Let me explain this example so that we will come to know dictionary. అప్పుడు మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. B equals to, yesterday also I covered searching. 10, 20, 30, 40. Before adding, let me print. Before just trying to adding, I am printing. Everybody look at my screen. Yeah, list and set created actually. Can I add a value to the tuple? No. Why? Because immutable. What is that? Who are all saying yes? Please do prepare actually. Very good. No worries. No worries. A dot. What exactly, sir? Append method. What method? Append method. 99. Then B dot. What search? Add method. Very good. 99 actually. Then let me, after updating, after what search? Updating. Let me just try to print this. Let me just try to what search? Print actually. Okay. Can just try to. Yep. Value successfully added, sir. Value, what exactly happened? Successfully added. Successfully added. Okay. So we added a value. But let me tell you, Daniel, what about dictionary? When you're talking about the list and set, single value. Talk with me. Single value. But when you're talking about the dictionary, no, key value. What is that? Now let us just try to add. How to add? We'll see actually. We'll see. Okay. Yeah. Let me add key value pair. Key value pair to dictionary. Sir, syntax is important. Get ready. Syntax is important. First point. In list there is a method. In set there is a method. But in dictionary, to add a key value pair, there is no method. Make a note on this one. Update method is different. We can talk about the update method. If anyone already know Python actually. If you wanted to add a key value pair, add key value to dictionary. Daniel, how to do that? Yeah, let me show you. First of all, let me create one small dictionary. 100, 10, Ramesh, and so 20, Arjun Sarji, Arjun Garu, 30, Daniel Sarji. Good. Successfully I have created a dictionary. Let me confirm. Yeah, dictionary I have created, Daniel. Very good. Right. For this existing dictionary, I wanted to add a new key value pair. I wanted to add what, Sarji? Please follow the syntax. LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to what exactly? Left hand side D of key you need to provide. Okay. Right hand side value we need to provide. This is the syntax. Do you wanted to add a key value pair to the dictionary? Yeah, Daniel. Then follow the syntax. The syntax will be LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side, please provide the key. Right. That too, this is the syntax. D of key. Important entry question. I will cover. That question I will cover in another 5 minutes. First, understand how we can add key value pair to the dictionary. Right hand side, you need to provide the value. Daniel, it's okay. D of, let me provide kind of some 40. Can I ask a question? What is the 40 here? Chapter, sir, key. One more time. Key. Key is not index actually. Please make a note on this one. This is the key. Here 40 is not index. And here let me add the value. Value name is a Raju. Yeah. Sir, successfully we have added key value pair. I mean to say, let us delete these two actually. Exactly, Sarji. Now, I would like to say, before adding key value pair, after adding key value pair. Let me show you. Exactly. Very good. Very good. You added successfully. The point is, here syntax matter. What matters, Sarji? I need your response. What matter? Syntax. LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to what exactly? Sir, door close, sir. Thank you. Yeah. LHS equals to RHS. LHS means left hand side a dictionary of key you need to provide. Right hand side value you need to provide actually. Hello, Daniel. Can I add one more value? Sir, you can add. Then 50. Tell me, sir, after Raju? Rani Garu. Let me add Rani. Now, please make a note. Exactly. Ramesh, Arjun, Daniel, Raju, Rani. These are all. I believe you understand actually. This is the way we can add key value pair. This is the way we can add key value pair actually. Okay. I hope you understand. What about update method? We can talk later. Okay. Successfully we have added key value pair. As we know, we can create empty dictionary. For that empty dictionary, we can add key value pairs actually. Yes, we are adding that. Empty dictionary, 10 Ramesh, 20 Arjun, 30 Daniel actually, 30 Daniel. Can I tell you one important interview question here? Okay, interview question cover cheyamantara? Interview question. What is that interview question, you know? During interview, they will write the code directly and they will ask like this. They will write the code directly. Ila adutaru. Chudandi how they will ask actually. How they will ask, you know? A equals to a kind of some 10, 20, 30, 40. Good. Get ready for this. And a kind of some D equals to, let me create a dictionary. 10, hello, Ramesh, comma, 20, Arjun. Sir, successfully I have created a list and dictionary. Chappan sir, successfully I have created a list. A is a list, D is a dictionary. Good, make a note on this one. I just wanted to, let me print A and D. Good. Yeah, exactly. Now I just wanted to, I don't want 10 value. I don't want what value? 10 value. Can I replace, you know, A of 0 with what exactly, sir? 99. Yes, I can replace. Now let me just try to print this. This is what exactly happened here actually. Exactly. Previously 10, now what is the value? 99. Now just you can break down the syntax here actually. Now please make a note. D of exactly, let me just try to add as a 2 equals to, I'm just trying to adding kind of some, if you want you can add any number also. Raju, please make a note. Actually. A little confusion here, but no confusion. Sir, A is list. If it is a list, it is index. Please make a note on this. If it is a dictionary, it is, that's it. Cinema is over actually. If you understand that, cinema is over. You can just have to, let us just try to understand. Yes, exactly. That's what you need to be understand. Are you clear or not, Sachin? Right? So here we are adding a key value pair. These two they will ask actually. Can you please explain what exactly happened? You need to ask, show me the code actually. By looking at the code, you can easy to understand what is the code actually. Yeah, it is a list. Okay, we are using index to replace the value. That's okay. The next one, the dictionary actually. Then we are adding a key value pair. We are adding what, Sarji? Key value pair. This point is very, very important, sir. Replace value. Indexing. Chaptara, add key value to dictionary. I believe you understand. Can I continue? No confusion. If you really understand the topic, no confusion actually. If you are still in confusion, first wake up actually. They will directly write the code and they will ask, explain the code. That's a question. We can add, Sarji. Mukhtar Garu, we can add. Successfully we done. Now the next topic, access values by using keys. Important, sir. This is again important actually. Every point is important from the dictionary. Every point is important actually. We'll do one thing. Equals to, let me just try to create 10, 20, 30, 40. Let me just try to, why I'm comparing with the list, I feel you are comfortable with the list. Then it would be really very good if I compare with the list data structure. Now from this example, can I close? These are all, these are all I can close. Yeah, here we go. I have created a list data structure. I'm just trying to fetching the first value. I'm just trying to getting the first value. Yeah, it is possible actually, right? With index. What exactly? Index. By using indexing, we are accessing a value. Listen carefully. By using index, we can access a what's such a value. Now, Daniel, what about the dictionary? Okay. Are you talking about the dictionary? Yeah, Daniel. Fine. Then hold on. Sorry, 102 Arjun actually. I have one small question for you. Get ready to understand. This is called as a values. This is called as a, in real time, no matter whatever data structure, please focus on values. Please focus on 10, 20, 30 is the value. But in dictionary, what is the value? Ramesh is the value. And what is the value? Arjun is the value. Now I wanted to access the values in a dictionary. Yeah, please focus on this terminology. In real time, we should know how to access the values, no matter what. Either it is a list data structure or a dictionary actually. When you're talking about the dictionary, forget about the key. I wanted to access the value. Yeah, I wanted to access the value. In a list, you can access value by using indexing. In a dictionary, you can access value by using key. By using what, Saji? Please focus on this point. Please focus on this actually. Okay. Now let me show you. Let me just try to print. I'm sorry. If I'm comparing with the list, more understanding, clear understanding. That's what I'm comparing. Is it okay for you? Yeah, sure. Yeah, dictionary. Daniel, I wanted to access, Ramesh Daniel. Then simple search D of like this you can access. But one small point here actually. Oh, sorry, 101. 101 actually. 101. Sir, repeating again. Here, 0 is index. 0 is what? Do you think 101 is index? No. That is what? Key. Very good. We are accessing a value by using key. We are accessing a value by using key. Key actual. To understand dictionary data structure, you should go in list. You should go in what search? Then you can easy to understand, right? So here, access value using list. No, sorry, using Chapan search. Index. Yeah, very good. Here, access value. Chapan sir? Madam, Chapan. Key. Using key. Very good. Nice. Good example. Conclusion of the story. In list, we can access values by using index. From dictionary, we can access values by using? Yeah, very good. Key actually. It's a right time I can close the list actually. I can talk more on dictionary so that we will get a more clarity. Yeah, good, Sarji. Good. Now I made it very clear. 101 Ramesh. I wanted to access Arjun Sarji. How to access? D of? Very good. So what is output actually? Ramesh and Arjun. Ramesh and what Sarji? Arjun. Good. Easy man. These are all very easy. Just you need to little practice required actually. Right? Accessing values from dictionary. Our running notes is well organized actually, well structured. Kindly please follow. Okay, one important point. While you are accessing key, if key is not available, you will get a key error. So 101 key is there, existing. 102 key also available. 103 key is not available. Then you will get a key error. You will get what error? Key error. Yep. Okay. So fine. While accessing key should be existing. While accessing key, so key should be match. Otherwise error. Otherwise what search? Error actually. Otherwise error. Few guys are coming late. కొంతమంది late గా వస్తున్నారు search. Please come early. It's okay if you are having morning session. Morning already 7 to 9 కి session ఉంది. Now ఇప్పుడు session attend అవుతున్నారంటే that's still okay. But if you are morning free, coming only this is the session, come at right time. I request you. Right time కి రండి. Okay? Yeah. Online team, you also kindly please join at right time. Sir, we don't know key. How we can access? Excellent. This is a good question. There is a good question. Jalaja madam. Jalaja Bhaskar. Are Daniel, if you don't know key, though we already know the key here, you're accessing directly. Imagine I don't know key. Then always key error. Always what error? Key error. Yeah. Very good question. Then there is a one way. Good question, boss. In dictionary, there is a one method. Method name is a keys. Then you can pull the keys actually. What is the method name, sir? Keys. If you are calling the keys method, what happened, all keys you will come to know actually. Yeah, please make a note on this one. 101 is the key, 102 is the key. Then you will come to know the keys actually. For every problem, there is a solution, Sachi. That's what you need to understand. Boss, I hope you got it clear. Don't you know keys actually? Don't worry, there is a method. What is the method name, sir? Chaptara? Keys actually. Keys. Like how keys method would you have? One more method would you have. What is that method? Yeah, values actually. Values. D dot what exactly? Values. Exactly. Anyway, you will get some extra object here. Daniel, I don't want this extra object. Simple. Then do one thing. Convert into list. List lo convert chesi padandi. That's it, Sarji. Wow. What we done, we separated all keys. We separated all values. We separated. Beautiful, actual. Make ardhainda, Sarji. Okay. Good. I have a question. Can you tell me how many methods I am using? 2 methods. Good. Tell me first one. Keys. Next one. Values. How many functions I am using? 2 functions. First one print. Next one. మూడోది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది సార్? నో 3 యాక్చువల్. ఇట్స్ ఓన్లీ 2. బాస్ నో రెస్పాన్స్. డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? జలజ గారు, I believe you understand. No response indicates you are understand. One more the disk. Where are we? I done this example. Yeah, beautiful, sir. Till now, let me give one small recap. I explained very clearly how to create a dictionary. How to create what such a dictionary. By this time, you should know how to create a dictionary. Good. The next one, empty dictionary also important. Empty dictionary also important actually. After created empty dictionary, you should know how to add key value pair. Chappan sir, how to add? You should know. Daniel, dictionary is ready. How to access values from dictionary? Values from what such a dictionary? You should aware. By this time, these 4 points you should aware. I believe you understand actually. There is a one error you should aware. What is that error name? What is that error, sir? Here. Let's move on. Sorry.
We're using keys.
There is one beautiful point I'm covering here now. Daniel, what is that point? By this time, I'm sure you already know for loop with list combination. What combination? For either list or tuple or set, anything you can take searching. For loop, you can apply a list tuple set. List tuple, what searching? Now here is a counter question. Can I apply for loop on dictionary? We'll see what happens. There is a suspense actually. We'll see. Let me explain. First of all, by this time you should understand. A equals to list of 10, 20, 30, 40. Can I maximize? Yeah, Daniel, please. For value in A, then print of what exactly? Value. Let me just try to print. Can you tell me what is output actually? 10 to 40, all values respectively, right? This is the way. Either it can be list, tuple, set, up to you. But Daniel, what about the dictionary, boss? Can I apply actually? Yes, you can apply. But if you apply for loop over the dictionary, small surprise actually. Let me explain that surprise. Are you ready? Let me apply. Let me just try to apply here. D equals to, first create a dictionary search. 101 column Ramesh, comma 102 column Arjun search. Daniel. Good. Successfully I have created a dictionary. Dictionary we can create in this form also. This looks pretty good. Generally, if I say dictionary, you should habituate to create like this actually. Why? Because this looks pretty good actually. Are you clear, Sajay? Now let us apply for loop over this dictionary. For you can just try to apply I in D. Then let me just try to print I. Let me just try to print what, Sajay? I. What happened? Whenever you are applying for loop over the dictionary, whenever you are applying for loop over what, Sajay? Dictionary, for loop will try to access only keys. Only what, Sajay? But not values. But not, according to my explanation, what is output actually? 101. Perfect. 101, 102, 103. Exactly. Look at my screen. For loop will touch. I know only keys. I don't know values. But can I tell you the beauty? If you know the key, yeah, very good. You can access what, Saji? Value. D of what exactly? This is the beauty, Saji. Such a nice actually. That's what previously you should understand. Let me repeat again. The point is, sir, anyway, you know the key. Can I say this one is a K actually? Can I say that one is what, Saji? K. Yeah. Then you can print K actually. K means keys you are accessing. The beauty is, if you know the key, yeah, Daniel, dictionary of, you can provide the key. First time 101, D of 101 Ramesh. Second time 102, D of 102 Arjun. Beautiful. We can access like this actually. Sir, Ardhaita meeku. Very nice. Then I can explain both examples separately. Okay. By default only keys. Kada? Yeah, Daniel. Like this you need to. First I'm printing only keys. If you know the key, you can access what search. Well, nice. You understand, I guess. Maybe then let me ask one question. How many keywords I'm using? Chappali. How many? What is the first one? For. Next one? In. Okay. Maybe it's the right time I need to invite. There are few students, they got an offer recently. There is a valid question. Let me answer this. Sheikh boss. Good question. Let me answer this. From last 2 weeks onwards, make a note on this one. Exactly 5 members got offers, especially freshers actually. And one more point, they got offers in startup companies actually. What companies, Sarji? Startup companies are nowadays more aggressive. They want employees especially and freshers actually. Okay, so in real time all companies taking experienced candidates only. In this time, how to get a job as a fresher employees, then I will do one thing. I can definitely invite them, maybe some 2 to 3 members. Why? Because 2 members are from online actually, but either I can pull to online also. They will talk their experience so that you will get a confidence actually. Is it okay for you? Last 2 weeks onwards, I used to get a message, Daniel, we got placed actually, we got an offer. And so companies started recruiting, Sarji. Startup companies, they are recruiting freshers very well actually, right? MNC companies also, but MNC companies, when they do have a project. And one more good news. What is that good news? Do you know recently what happened? You please be up to date in the market actually. What exactly happened in USA? What happened? What is a hot situation actually? H1. Let me tell you, if you don't know about the H1 is a visa, a kind of some permit actually. You can go and you can work in US. Am I right? In a olden days, if you pay $2,000 to $3,000, on an average $2,000 to $3,000, then that is a fee for H1B. But recently, what they done, Sachin? What they done, Recently, just they changed the policies from $3,000 to, I thought, like $5,000, $6,000, $10,000, but they made it what exactly? $1 lakh gone case actually. Conclusion of the story, what is the added advantage to the India? Slowly, India will create our own products actually. Till now, we are depending upon other country. We are depending upon what, Saji? Other country. We used to go there and we used to work. But slowly, their products will come to India, and here, we can from here actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. So please make a note. There are more openings. One point I can say, employees in freshers. Some employees say that there are no openings actually. If anybody is saying there are no openings actually, just listen and ignore. Don't please be serious about the statement actually. Are you clear or not, Sachi? Right? Always be positive, and I'm sure you guys will get the best opportunity, no doubt in that actually. We'll talk more later. Other discussion. Okay. I'm from India. I should not talk more about India. Thank you, Sachi. Let's move on. Good. Back to the session. Team, why red color? Keyword. Move on. Important interview questions, sir. Updating dictionary. Updating what, Sachi? Dictionary. This is important. In dictionary, every point is important. I request you, please be focused on this. Yeah. Equals to list 10, 20, 30, 40. First, let me tell you updating list. Let me talk about updating lists actually. This is the way. If you want, you can just you can print A, and the A of 0 equals to what exactly? 99. So point is, we have updated the list to data structure. Can you tell me, sir, we have updated what exactly? Something went wrong. Comma, yeah, good. Comma is missing. Python is not allowing actually. Even though if you are having 10 years of experience and if you say Python, hey Python, you can execute, means no. Python never execute. Python will tell don't play jokes actually. Are you with me or not, sir? No matter what your experience, doesn't matter. Follow the protocol. Follow what, Sarji? Protocol actually. Yeah, good. We have updated a list. Same in this way, can I update a dictionary? Yeah, we can update a dictionary. We can update a what, Sarji? Dictionary. Updating dictionary means you can update keys and you can update values. Come on, listen carefully. In a list to data structure, only one value we have updated. But if you wanted to update the dictionary means either you can update keys or you can update what, Sarji? Value. Let us try both. You will get an idea. Are you ready? Yeah, let's move on. Updating a list. This is the way, so updating list. Based on requirement, we can update the dictionary. There are two cases we need to be understand. There are two cases we need to be understand. We need to understand. What are those cases? Hold on, I will cover now. I will cover now step by step actual. Case 1. Once you understand about the case 1, let me explain about the case 2 actually. Go back first of all, let me create a dictionary. 101, 101, Ramesh, comma, Arjun, Arjunji, 103. Array Daniel. Yeah, good. Let me just have to print a dictionary. Yeah, very good. We know this is the dictionary. Are you ready? This is the dictionary. Daniel, let me add a key value pair. Adding, updating, almost similar actually. How to add a key value pair? LHS equals to RHS. 104 equals to 104 equals to. Let me add here kind of some Prasad. Let me add here kind of some what exactly, sir? Prasad actually. Everybody look at my screen. Please, I request you. What exactly happened, sir? I'm sure you already know LHS equals to RHS. Do you think this is index actually? Very good. Key. If you say index, I will cry. Why? Because I didn't say that is index actually. Good. The point is, whenever you are adding a key value pair, backend there is a small check. There is a small check actually. What is that check? Check means when you go for passport application actually, there are some checks, multiple checks actually. Here also check. What is that check? Can you tell me what is the key? What is the key here? 104. Tell me, sir. First it will cross verify. Is there any keys matching with the old keys or not? It will check actually. 104, 101 not matching. 104, 102 not matching. 103 not matching. If not matching, then only new key value pair will be added actually. My statement is very important. If key is not matching with the old keys, if new key is not matching with the old keys, then only key value pair will be added actually. Then only what, Sarji? Key value pair. Let me show you the code. You understand, I guess, my scenario. Yeah, Daniel, we understand very clearly. Yeah, exactly. All right. 101, 102, 103. These are all unique keys actually. 104 also unique. If new key is not matching with the old keys, then only new key value pair will be added actually. Are you clear about this one? Let me cover the next scenario. First, let us make a notes actually. Notes is chudane. If new key is not matching with old keys, then only, so new key value pair will be added to dictionary. Will be added to what, Sarji? Anna, Chapanana, please. Dictionary. Yeah, good. Next one, case number 2. Guys, this point is important. I am sure you understand the scenario. Let me print. Let me explain actually. Let me explain from scratch here. I created a dictionary. Then let me add a dictionary. D of 102. D of what, Sarji? 102 actually. 102. Let me just try to add Sudhakar, Sarji. Sudhakar. My 10th class teacher actually. I still remember. He's awesome actually. Very good. Let me explain. Yeah, the point will be, whenever you are adding a new key value pair, backend there is a small check. What is that check? It will check the all keys. What is the key, sir? What you are trying to adding? 102. What you are trying to adding? 102 is the new key, right? But what happened? It is already 101 not matching, 102 sir matching. Now what happened, if it is matching, old value is Arjun. Old value will be replaced with new value. In this dictionary, you can see 102 as a Arjun, but here you can see 102 for what, Sarji? Yeah, you understand, I guess. Look at my screen actually. Exactly. I understand. I hope you understand very clear. Can I get a response from you? Yeah. See, imagine if key is matching with the old case. Old value will be replaced with new value, madam. Old value will be replaced with what, Sachi? New value. Come again. What about? Yes, sir. What about? You can, sir, here it's, 102, 102. It seems to be, what do you mean by changing actually? If you want to add one more thing, 104 you need to add actually. Yes, sir. Oh, I understand. No, Sachi. You can drop actually. I understand. If you want, you can add. Our sir point will be how you are updating Arjun. Can I update this one? That is a very rare scenario. Very rare scenario. If you want, what you can do, so D of key, you have to match with the key. It's okay. Keys method I will cover during that time. But back to the session again. Let's take this. Same statement, Sarji. Same statement. If new key is not matching with the old case, if new key is matching with old case, then chapter, sir, then old value will be replaced with new value. Very good. I hope you understand. Updating dictionary, there are two cases I covered. There are how many cases, Sajid? 2 cases. Are you clear till now? Yeah, please. You guys kindly please walk through these are all. Theory I kept here actually. You guys need to walk through case 1 and case 2. I request you guys kindly please walk through. You will get an idea. The next one. Removing or deleting elements from the dictionary. Important, Sajid. Can you read the heading one more time? Removing or deleting elements from the dictionary. Okay. Now today I need to introduce one new keyword actually. Keyword name is so called as a DL keyword. What keyword actually? So that I can continue today's session. Why? Because here there is a one keyword DL actually. Let me explain about the DL keyword. Important. DEL means delete. Delete is a delete or DEL is a keyword in Python. Keyword in what, Sachi? Python. By using this, we can delete the variable. We can delete what, Sachi? Variable. You can delete the variable or value, anything you can say. Let me show you practically. Daniel, what is the syntax actually? Imagine A equals to 10 I have created. Then I am printing A. Then in your computer RAM actually, can I talk with you today? Did I explain about SSD and HDD? Okay, hold on. Then let me hold the topic. This topic in konjam sepu hold cheyandi. Hold the topic actually. Good. 1 minute. First of all, to become data scientist or AI engineer, first point, computer, either computer or what exactly, laptop is mandatory. What is mandatory, sir? Computer or laptop actually. Laptop is mandatory. Daniel, my laptop is a little slow. It's okay, don't consider spelling mistake. Little slow. My laptop is what, Saji? Little slow. If anyone is facing my laptop is little slow, I'm running the program, but it is taking, today I'm running, tomorrow I'm getting output. If anyone in that case actually. Sir, don't worry. Maybe in your system you are having HDD. Even if it is an old laptop also fine. Even if it is old laptop also fine. Even if it is old things also okay actually. That's still okay. Don't go for new laptops and new computers. Why? Because don't spend your money, Sachi. 30,000, 40,000 not required. Anta spend cheyoddu. Don't waste your money. Money matters. Coin really matter actually, right? Then if your system or laptop having HDD, I believe almost it is HDD. If you're having laptop or computer, what you can do, Sachi, You can just have to add one hardware component. That component name is so called as a SSD. What is that component name? Daniel, can I add myself? No. Don't do R&D actually. You can go to one trusted hardware shop, or else if you know any hardware person actually, you can just have to tell him, so Anna, my system is little slow. Maybe my system having the HDD. You can even check in a chat GPT how to check either HDD or SSD. Can we replace with SSD? Yes, they will tell yes, we can replace actually. They will check the slot. Back end there is a slot actually, there is a small hardware component and either 128 or 256 they will go actually. My laptop was in the same condition in the year of 2018. In the year of 2018, my laptop was very slow. My laptop was HDD actually. I bought with 45,000. But one of my friend hardware, he suggested, one day I told, Anna, my laptop is very slow. He told, hey, go for SSD. You don't need to replace your laptop. Just to replace the hardware component actually, he charged around some 1500. But nowadays it might be 2000 or 2500 actually. Now after added SSD, my laptop running like a horse actually. I hope you understand. Like how you are, operating your mobile actually, your Android is little speed. Am I right or not, sir? Same thing like it works actually. This is one small suggestion. It cost around, don't ask where is the location actually, 2000 something like that actually. Not 20,000, 5,000, 10,000. Did you understand or not, sir? When you are trying to adding SSD, they will ask which one you want. 128 you want or actually 256 you want. 256 is fine actually. I can recommend 256. Are you clear, Sachi? So this is a small suggestion. If anyone laptop or computer little slow, go for what exactly, sir? SSD. Go for any hardware shop. Small suggestion. Okay, move on. Where are we? Yeah, I'm explaining about the DL keyword. What keyword, Sachi? DL keyword. Back to the session. Successfully, I have created a computer. In your computer RAM, what happened, automatically variable is created. Now variable is in live state actually. Daniel, can I delete that variable? Yes, you can delete forcefully. Generally, you no need to delete. In Python backend, there is a topic name is a GC. GC means garbage collector. After some elapsed time, that variable will be died automatically. It will be deleted automatically. But can I delete forcefully? Yeah, you can delete. By applying one keyword name is a DEL. What is the keyword name, sir? DEL of RHS you need to provide. Here name of the variable. After deleting, variable is already deleted from RAM in your computer. Don't print that variable. If you are printing that variable, what happened, sir? Are you boss? Yeah, exactly. Very good. What error? Name error. Variable is not there. How you are printing? How dare you have actually? It is printing. Are you getting or not, sir? Conclusion of the story. This is the very rare we are using this keyword, but you should aware. DEL is a keyword. Chapman madam? DL is a keyword. By using that, we can delete a variable. You can delete what, Sachi? Variable. This is possible. Okay. Deleting variable. Yeah. So, more to the next example. Everybody look at my screen. Everybody please. A equals to list 10, 20, 30, 40. Madam, look at my screen. Let's print A. Successfully I have created a list actually. Guys, I wanted to access 10 value. First value, A of 0. Very good. I wanted to delete that 10 value. Then DEL, chuptara, A of perfect, sir. You understand, I guess. Then let us just to print A. Let us just to print what, Sachi? A. Yeah, exactly. Very good. You deleted. Am I right? So with index and what exactly DL keyword you deleted actually. Are you clear? Okay. DL keyword example. Let's apply. Can you please respond for my question? Now respond actually. Very good. What is the error? Name error. Sir, after deleting, already you deleted actually. Don't try to print. Why? Because this is not there. This is not defined actually. Not defined, not created. Then you will get a name error. What error, sir? Name error. Please make a note on this. like how you apply DEL keyword on dictionary, on list, you can apply DEL keyword on dictionary also. DEL keyword on what, Saji? Dictionary. Let me explain the combination. DEL plus dictionary combination. Sorry. Good. Go back. Then I'll grab the dictionary instead of writing one more time. Everybody please look at my screen, Saji. Dictionary is ready. Now look at my screen. Daniel, I wanted to access Ramesh. D of what exactly, sir? 101. Then can I do one thing? Yeah, you can just have to apply here DEL, and like this, if you done, what happen, sir? What happen, if you're trying to deleting the key, value also will be deleted automatically. If you try to delete key, automatically what happens, sir? Value. Conclusion of the story, for every value, key is mandatory. Are you trying to deleting the key? Value also will be deleted automatically. So conclusion of the story, if you're trying to deleting the key, whole item will be deleted. Whole? Yeah, exactly. So if you want cross verify, you can easily to understand actually. Exactly. This is going to happen. Are you deleting a key actually? Then indirectly you are deleting whole item. Please make a note actually. When I say item, key value, both actually. Like, both are best friends, sir. Friend number 1, friend number 2. Yeah, exactly. Like a SLR movie actually. Key search. Only no. So in a very good question. So let me tell you, whenever you are creating a dictionary, key and value should be mandatory. I will keep only value, then you will get a syntax error. Syntax error actually. Syntax error. That's what I'm telling, sir. It's okay. You wanted to delete that one? Delete that one actually. Then your output is like this, right? We'll get error. Key and value should be mandatory. Key and value should be what, Saji? Mandatory. Otherwise, at least what we can do, good question. You can make it, this one is none. None actually. Then it is okay. This is the none. Got it. Nice. Where are we? What am I explaining, Saji? I explained this one. I explained this. Everybody look at my screen, please. Now, can you tell me what is output, Sachi? Put output and cheptara. Very good. Name error. Very nice. Then we can move on, sir. I believe you understand. Then the next topic. What is the next topic? This is the way we can delete key value pair from the dictionary. Instead of that, we have an alternative. There is one method. Method name is a clear. There is one method in dictionary. Method name is the clear. Clear somewhere I covered, Sarji. Set. Here also same. I'm sorry. Yeah. Conclusion of the story. There is a method in dictionary. Method name is called as a clear. If you call clear method, all items will be deleted. All items will be deleted. Then it returns empty dictionary actually. This is the representing of empty dictionary. Okay. Online team, how are you? So I need a response from. Are you following, please? I need a response from you. Please, everybody respond. Chandana Garu, Tejasri, Ketan Kumar Sarji, Abhishek. Why not everybody? Please respond. Stravanti, Sridevi. Only few people are responded actually. Okay, let's move on. Please be more active. I can move on. You guys kindly please walk through. We can, by using DL keyword, we can remove the keys. By using even clear method, we can clear the objects in a dictionary. So that's what even you need to be understand. I covered these are all. Can you tell me why red color? Keyword actually. But in real time, we are not using DL keyword. Very rare. Chala takko use chestam. Very rare. we can delete total dictionary, DL of dictionary object name, right? So ensure you need to make, DL of dictionary you are deleting. That's what you need to be understand. Next one, length function, important.